Hey guys, so tapos na namin ikutan yung sa may Eiffel Tower area sa mga previous videos ko. So ngayon, nilipat naman tayo dito sa may Notre Dame area kung saan natin unang makikita tong Shakespeare and Company. And so Alfred, ano nga pala to?
Shakespeare and Company is an independent English language bookshop located on the banks of the Seine, opposite Notre Dame. It has been a meeting place for writers and readers in Paris for more than 70 years.
Ngayon naman, pupuntahan naman natin tong Notre Dame Cathedral. Malapit lang siya, walking distance lang siya from the Shakespeare and Company. Very surreal sa akin to kasi first time ko siyang makikita. Finally, makikita ko na rin yung cathedral.
Notre Dame Cathedral.
Let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Christ the Lord will give
So yun, tuloy ulit ang lakaran. Na-enjoy namin yung Notre Dame Cathedral. So ngayon naman, pupunta kami sa may Louvre Museum. Medyo malayo siya ng konti from the cathedral, pero syempre, enjoy habang nakikita namin yung mga views.
Sainte-Chapelle and the Palais de Justice de Paris. The Louvre Museum.
Ayun, finally, nakarating kami sa may Louvre Museum. Sa likod kami dumaan kasi yun yung mas malapit doon sa pinanggalingan namin. Pero tatagos din kami hanggang papuntang harap. Also, for the meantime, sa labas lang kami kasi the following day, meron kaming ticket para sa loob naman ng Louvre Museum. Pero that will be in a different video. Kung makikita niyo yung sky, parang sa Las Vegas lang yung sa may Caesar's Palace ata yun, yung ceiling. Pero ito, totoo to eh. Totoong sky yan. Hindi yan ceiling. Astig, no?
People in here. We're at the Louvre. We're at the Louvre. Louvre. We're at the Louvre. You can see that prenup and everything.
The Louvre, or the Louvre Museum, is a national art museum in Paris, France, and the most visited museum in the world. It is located on the right bank of the Seine, in the city's first arrondissement, and home to some of the most canonical works of Western art, including the Mona Lisa, Venus de Milo, and Wing Victory.
Ito naman yung miniature na arko, yung Arc de Triomphe. Siyempre, dadaan din tayo sa ilalim yan.
Arc de Triomphe du Carrousel. Grand Bassin Ronde.
Itong area naman na to, malapit lang siya sa Louvre. Maraming nakatambay lang dito. They're listening sa mga nagbabasking. Tapos makita nyo meron dyan yung Ferris wheel. And meron silang view dito yung parang balloon na may fire. I don't know what it's called. Pero maraming nag-check out nun for some reason.
So we're not exactly sure where we're at. It's somewhere close to the Louvre. DJ.
Yan, so ginabi na kami. So pauwi na kami niyan. Nung dumadaan kami uli ng bridge, pinakita kami parang party boat. Okay, jam-jam lang saglit. Enjoy. So till next video mga Lodski. Salamat po.